Hello and welcome back to our channel MahaUma's World. Thank you everyone for your continued support. If you still have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you get notified whenever we make a new video. Today I am going to make Palak Murukku. Let's go to the kitchen. For making Palak Murukku we need handful of fresh palak leaves and 2 green chilies. Wash them well. After washing, transfer into blender green chilies and palak leaves along with 1/4 cup water. We will make a puree. Now palak puree is ready. Keep it aside. Meanwhile, heat oil in a pan on low flame. Now take a mixing bowl, add 1 cup rice flour or you can use idiyappam flour as well, half cup besan or chickpeas flour, half teaspoon ajwain powder, 1 teaspoon butter and required amount of salt. Mix well. After mixing well, add palak puree little by little and mix well and make a soft dough. As you can see, now the soft dough is ready. I am going to use this kind of murukku press and this disc as well. Now grease oil on your hand and take a small portion of dough and make a cylinder shape and fill the murukku press with the dough. Then take a ladle and make a small circles like murukku shape. Then flip the ladle in hot oil. Cook on low medium flame. This is another way of making. Keep the ladle on top of your pan and make a murukku shape. Then flip it over on the oil. In the same way, I am making few more murukku. Cook in low medium flame. Turn and cook till slightly golden color. Don't overcook. It should light golden color. As you can see, the crispy palak murukku is ready. You can enjoy as a evening snack. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe our channel and click the bell icon.